My name is Advay Agarwal and today I am going to tell you what is a magnet and how it is used. So let's begin. This is a magnet. It has got a north pole and a south pole. I can't tell which is the north pole and which is the south pole. And if two magnets attract each other with south pole and south pole, they would repel. And if you attach your north pole to the south pole, it will attract. So I'll show you how it does. First, let us try to connect it with the red to the blue. Wow! See, it is on its own. It pulled it down. See, I did anything. See, here I just dropped it and it attracted. See, and now what I will do, I will try to do with blue and blue. See, I'll show you on the test. See, I'm trying to attract the blue, but it's on its own upside down, so it attracts. I will do this. Now I am going to try with this. What I will do, I will take one magnet. I will do like this, and I'll show you the red to the blue. It is attracting here the same. And if I do with this, see what will happen. You see, it's on the hole, but it is up because the south pole and if south pole and a south pole come together, they will repel, and same with the north pole. Then what I will, if the north pole is connected to the south pole, then only it will attract. Now let me try this with more magnets. I will put them blue. Now red is on the top, so I will pick up red. Then blue is on the top. I will do like this. And finally, red is on the top. I will do like this. Now I am going to press it up with these rubber bands so that the magnet is still. Now let us see what will happen. And now you can see they're not they're attracting because the rubber bands are too heavy for them and they are pushing down the magnets. So that's why. And these gaps, if I do with all my strength, see, now it's connected. Now it's doing. I will just remove these rubber bands. Oh, one rubber band fall down. And this is because the magnets are used. And if you have got the iron wall like this, you can attract these magnets also like this. So it can be attracted to iron also. Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more of my videos I have done. So please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.